Right, so I'm going to show you how to make another weird kind of deadfall trigger, which I've never seen before. I've seen similar triggers to this, but not exactly the same as this. So what you're going to need is 3 thin sticks, 1 slightly fatter stick, or you could use a stone, I'll explain that later, and a very kind of thick branch, which you've got to cut like a disc off of it. So you could, instead of this, use a round pebble or anything like that. That's what we're going to need, that, or a big round pebble, maybe a bit of slate might do it, or something similar to that. 3 small sticks, 1 fatter stick, or a big rock, but I think the stick's a better option. So the first thing you've got to do is just slightly thicker one out of your smaller ones. You've got to bang it into the ground. Now we might need to do a bit of adjusting later, but that's the first thing we do, bang it in at an angle. Now some pictures I've seen it's got a pointed end, some it's just like that, so we'll leave it like that for now. If we need to point it, we will. Now the 3 small ones, I may need to adjust one of these, but we'll see when the time comes. Right, so those 2 I've got there are too short, so I've just got another 2 longer ones. I'm going to try those. Now these might have to be cut again as well.